Hello and welcome, friends. Today I upload video about starting a successful blog step by step, so let's go to the video. But if you are first time visiting to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I upload video on daily basis. How to start a blog in 6 steps. Learn how to create a blog in about 20 minutes following these steps. 1. Pick a blog name. Choose something descriptive. 2. Get your blog online. Register your blog and get hosting. 3. Customize your blog. Choose a free template and tweak it. 4. Write and publish your first post. The fun part. 5. Promote your blog. Get more people to read your blog. 6. Make money blogging. Choose from several options to monetize your blog. Let's start your blog. Step 1. Pick a blog name. The first step to finding a good blog name is choosing your topic. If you're not sure what to blog about, there are as follows. 1. Hobbies and passions. Hobbies or other interests you are passionate about are a great place to start. Cooking, travel, fashion, sports, and cars are all classic examples. But even blogs about more obscure hobbies can be successful, since your audience is literally anyone in the world with the internet. 2. Life experiences. Everyone has lessons they have learned through life experience. Sharing this knowledge can be incredibly helpful to others in similar situations. For example, I recently helped a woman start her blog about being a fireman's wife. She has a lot of experience and knowledge to share with others about this topic, and it has helped her connect with others in similar situations. Think about the things you have experienced in life. This could be related to your family, example, a blog about being a stay-at-home mom, work, a blog about experiences dealing with clients, or other life experiences, a blog about dealing with a troubling time such as a disease or divorce, or about a happy time such as preparing for a wedding or a birth of a child. 3. A personal blog. A personal blog is a blog all about you. This will include a variety of topics, from things you do on a daily basis, to random thoughts and musings. This is a great way to share your thoughts with the world without having to stick to just one topic. Once you have a topic, it's time to choose your blog name. A good blog name should be descriptive so that potential readers can instantly tell what your blog is about just from the name. If you are blogging about one specific topic, then you will definitely want to include that in some way in your blog name. Try not to get hung up on just one word though. For example, a cooking blog doesn't necessarily have to have the word cooking in it. The words food, recipes, and meals would also let people know that your blog is about cooking. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. I upload video on daily basis. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.